Hi everyone, this is Ken from the K&S Brakes Garage. Spring's here. We've had the C8 Z51 over the winter. Haven't been able to do much. Did get through the break-in finally. And as you saw before, we put the Giro disc rotors and GP10 pads on the car. That's a pretty healthy little upgrade from the OEM stuff. These are a street/track pad if something like that exists. I can tell you on the street, compared to the OEM pads, they take a little bit of heat to get going, but they feel very firm. I haven't really had a chance to barely break them in yet. Just it was cold weather over the winter, etc. It's here. We're going to do some of that now. But what we can see is, yes, I mean, these are performance pads, so we are going to continue to make some brake dust. We probably washed the car, I don't know, a week ago or something, just a few miles. So they will dust. I can get a little tiny squeal out of them at certain times, but all in all, more than acceptable for street use. They're not grindy or anything like that when they're cold. And as you can see, I mean, the rotors look great. There's no rust or anything on them, so they look pretty nice in there. Unfortunately, I got a nail in the tire, so I got to get that off of there. And we're going to change the oil. That'll be our first maintenance item. Hopefully we can accomplish that. We got a lift. That should be easy. Then we'll start talking about the track alignment and hopefully get the car up to VIR sometime next week for its maiden voyage. Thank you. Like and subscribe. Or don't.